Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. You're joined today with me in my pajamas at the moment. I have gotten ready for the day because we have a bunch of filming to do today and things to do, so got myself ready for the day. And now I am in my kitchen about to show you guys exactly what I'm gonna have for breakfast. In this whole video, I'm gonna be walking through everything I eat on a typical day when I'm trying to grow a nice, juicy, plummy peach and also trying to stay lean at the same time. I actually just did a bulk, the heaviest I've been in a while, starting to shed some of that fat. So I've started cutting a few things out here and there, so like I won't have as many carbs, for example, just because they do tend to be quite caloric, and I feel like it's just such an easy way to cut calories, is just to get rid of like some of the starchy carbs like bread and like pasta, those kind of things. Get my carbs more from vegetables. I might have carrots more because that's also a source of carbs, but the calorie intake is like way lower. I have like a good idea. I know like what's over my maintenance and what's under, but I feel like if you're completely new to fitness or you're completely new to eating in accordance to your goal, I feel like it might be good to track for a while. I don't think calories are like the be all and end all. The calories you'll get from a carrot are going to be very different from the calories you're going to get from highly processed bread. Entirely different. So even though they might both be 50 calories, your body will process them in an entirely different way. I do have whey protein, which is considered to be processed, the lesser of evils from the processed world. I try to stay away from the worst of it, but I also am a human in a processed world. It is time to cook our breakfast. Today for breakfast I'm gonna have 2 eggs and I'm gonna have a coffee as well. I love a coffee every single morning. So let's make the food, okay? I like to put in some organic honey. I saw this documentary about how like 80% of honey in the supermarket is fake, so I like to just go to the farm shops. I pay like an extra like £1 or £2 for this, but for me it's really worth it, and this lasts for ages. A little pleb of it and then pop that into my coffee, and that's my sweetener. I really try to avoid like loads of artificial sweeteners and stuff like that. My inflammation, my swollenness, like everything has gone down so much, and I find that I can lose weight a lot faster if I just do something as simple as like avoid ultra processed things and, you know, a lot of artificial sweeteners and things like that. And then after the coffee, I like to add some of this, some lion's mane. When I want a bit more of like extra sort of mental focus, I do find that this helps quite a lot. So I will sometimes stick some lion's mane right into my coffee. And now we just mix. It is burnt, but it's also still delicious. So I'm not really like a lunch person. I have like quite a big breakfast and definitely a big dinner. And I find that when I do have a really big lunch, I feel so sluggish and just like bleh, like the whole time. I usually have 2 big meals a day, and then the rest of the day I mostly supplement and snack, or like if I need to have more protein, I'll add a protein yogurt for lunch or something, you know? As you guys know, it's Valentine's Day in about 2 and a bit weeks, so I have partnered up with Shein for this part of the video because I have been looking for a Valentine's Day outfit. Me and Reese are gonna go on like a nice little fancy dinner and then go for drinks afterwards. And I actually reached out to Shein. I was honestly gonna order from them anyway, so I'm so grateful to be able to like do this collab. So thank you, Shein. I saw some pieces that I really liked and I ordered a bunch of them. And I wanna basically go through them with you guys and just get an opinion. I need to know what to wear because I am very stuck. And again, I buy from Shein all the time as well. Like even these PJs are actually from Shein too. Please help me pick and decide in the comments which one I should go for. If you want to get anything from Shein and you want a nice little discount, a little present from me to you. Here is a discount code on the screen and everything will be down in the description box below. Right guys, so this is option number 1. I absolutely love it. Like I just want to go wearing this because this is so me. Like you could dress this up for sure. I absolutely love this. So far, so good. I'm in love with this one. But let me try the dresses on. Okay, actually, I think I changed my mind. I think I like this one the best. Like, are you kidding? I don't typically go for dresses, but this, and the sleeves as well, like having them be like nice and long. Quite sexy, like short red Valentine. I love it. I really love it. What do you guys think? Yes, no? I honestly don't even know anymore. Like, are you kidding? This is really cool. I don't think I've ever worn something like this before. Flower situation is really, I'm just wondering, like, is it maybe a little bit too much for dinner and drinks? What do you guys think? I do like it though. I think I prefer the other two a bit more. Okay, so this is the next one and I love it, but I think I got a size too big. I actually did go up a size in this one. I should have just went for my like normal size because it is basically just too big. In my normal size it would be fine. All right, lastly, we've got this all white little outfit again, skirt and top. It's not as like intense. It's very like classy and elegant and not too in your face, but still very like nice and pretty. This is really nice. Like I really like this little outfit. I don't know. I need your guys' help. Please comment down below and just vote which one you like the best. But thank you again to Shein for sponsoring this part of the video. I really appreciate it, and obviously I love these clothes very much. Can't wait to wear them on Valentine's. I just need to pick which one. A little check-in, guys. So it's actually like around 4 p.m. now in the UK. I don't know why it's so dark. Who gave it the right to be this dark at 4 p.m? I've just been honestly editing away, as you can see, and I've just been basically all day. But yeah, it's not time for dinner yet, but I am hungry, I'm snackish. I kind of want some protein stuff and also just a snack really to hold me over till dinner. For our snacks today, I'm having a banana, an apple, some clear whey from, this one's from Woman's Best, and then I'm gonna also probably have a few chocolates as well because I can't help myself. Hello and welcome to my kitchen yet again. Now it's time for us to have some dinner. It is now 6:30 at night and I am hungry.
That's what I reckoned.
Tonight we are having chicken, nice and easy, really simple to make. So we have set our boards out, basically ingredients. So these are our ingredients. We are going to put in the carrots and the chicken pretty much at the same time. Actually, the carrots go in first because we're doing it in the air fryer, the carrots and the chicken. These are honestly like sweet potato fries or just like fries when you do them in the air fryer. They're so tasty. You can also do it in the oven if you don't have an air fryer. And then we are going to just boil these and then also stick the chicken in the air fryer. So yeah, without further ado, let's get cooking. So yeah, this is dinner. Very nice. I love doing the chicken like this in the air fryer. Got Philadelphia and cheese on top of it with a bunch of seasoning and it tastes delicious. I sliced the chicken in half so that it's like a thinner piece of chicken, so that it actually like, I don't know, I just find it turns out better. We've got a bunch of vegetables, got some feta cheese as well. This is actually the most filling meal ever. There's like a lot of chicken here. As you can see, I've kind of cut the carbs out. During my bulk, I'll have more pasta, more like potatoes, more like just carbs. But during the cut, I just try and keep the carbs more towards like lighter vegetables. So more broccoli, do more manchow, do more other things rather than the heavier stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner before it gets very freezing cold. I'll catch up with you after I've eaten my dinner. Okay, so I've just finished eating dinner. I didn't really have enough chicken in the meal because I couldn't finish all of it. I'm getting a bit tired of chicken at the moment. I've been having chicken so many days. So I ate like almost all of it. So I need some more protein. So we are gonna have a little protein salted caramel flavor pudding, and I'm obsessed with these. I've been having one every day for dessert and they're so freaking good. A little bit of processed food, but hey, it's got to be a bit of balance. Before I go though, let's sit down on the couch and talk through what I'm doing to lose weight and what I'm gonna do in the cut and fasting. Because I know you guys want to hear about this. Before you do anything from what I'm saying, just because I do it, please, please, please do your own research, make sure that it's fine, speak to your doctor, like don't just jump into it just because I say that I fast. I will do like a prolonged fasting period. I prefer it's intermittent fasting, just suits my lifestyle better. I like dedicating a few days to it and then not thinking about it. I've been able to get to a really lean weight with it as well, but like in a very healthily way. Like I've been able to maintain the most muscle with it. If you guys want, I can do a whole YouTube video just on fasting and everything to do with it. That is pretty much my plan for this cut. It's, you know, not like eating feathers. I'm eating a lot. I just change out what I eat, sort of lighten my meals, but still eat a lot. To stay full throughout the day, really. I will then implement fast, and I'll obviously try and, you know, cut out as much of the junk as well, like the sugary snacks, as many chocolates, like maybe still have like a chocolate here and there. And yeah, basically that's what I do with the cut. Slightly less food in general as well, like reeling everything back just a little bit, but still in like a healthy way. I don't agree with, you know, drastic diets and restricting yourself too much. I never feel restricted for anything. Like even when I'm deep into my cut, I still feel like if I really want to, I can eat whatever I want. Even after doing this cut, when I go back to just maintaining my weight, I still want to like implement fast for the rest of my life just because of the crazy benefits. Like there are some intense benefits with it, even like anti-aging and things like that, which is just wild. Let me know if you want me to do a video on that, and thank you for watching this YouTube video. But yeah, that is me all done for the night, and I will see you guys in the next YouTube video because I am actually uploading consistently again. Can you believe it? Okay, right, bye. Bye bye.